Help her. She wanna climb up. It's okay, okay. Okay, climb up.
I want to jump. Hey, Dad.
Okay, so we're here in Cassia Creek Resort and Casino. There's no baby. We check in for 2 nights for Daddy's birthday getaway. So ang lalaki nitong hotel na to, Resort and Casino. Okay. Tell them how many minutes. Teya, listen.
10 minutes.
So doon banda guys, ano na yan, bar sa pool area. Doon, pwede ka rin mag-order dyan ng barbecue, anything you wanna eat around the pool area. Sa loob ng hotel, and ano, may mga restaurants, may bar. Okay, come on. So, dinadayo talaga dito pag ano, weekend, especially family. Frey, let's go, Frey! Oh, 10 minutes. The water's getting colder. Oh, say you're shaking, huh? Oh? Oh, gakurog na, guys. Gitugnaw na. Gitugnaw na. She's cold. Ate is getting cold. Lang. Hi, Birdie. Naki-swimming rin si Birdie. You can do it, Pray. Gusto niya mag-join sa sister niya. Ayaw niya doon sa pang-baby. Hey, watch her there. Natakot mag-jump. May music sa gilid. Kapag daytime dito guys, super puno tong pool na to. So halos wala na masyadong naligo. So past 7 PM na kasi. So pa midnight swimming na to. Pag night swimming na sila. So yan si birthday boy. Busy sa cellphone niya. Busy ang birthday boy. So ako ang nakatuka mag-watch sa dalawang bata na ito. Ayaw pang umahon. Kahit ano na, nanginginig na sa lamig.